In the echoes of the city, your voice cuts through the chaos.
Testing, and welcome to the city.
A mic that blends into your world. Introducing DJI Mic Mini 2.
Welcome back to the channel with Heidi and Porter. We're gonna test out some new bikes today.
Designed for ultimate portability, it moves with you.
Look at the colors, they are popping.
This is the prettiest time of the year.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
We're doing something fun today.
Are you excited?
Yeah! Let's go!
Capture every moment with convenience and speed. Power's on and you're set.
Let's go!
Okay, we're connected. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hey runners, and we're back on the track today.
Stay up to speed as you seamlessly connect from one device to the next. And with 2-level noise canceling, the world is yours.
Look at this place. You gotta see this for yourself.
A quick 5-minute charge delivers an extra hour of performance, so you can stay powered up on the move.
On to the next. Now we're coming up under the terrace.
Join the session. Mix, pair, and play. Sharing your sound with others is as easy as
1, 2, 3. Let's get this jam started.
stable transmission carries your story.
Just gotta calm the nerves and go.
Even from hundreds of meters away.
Let's go!
And with 3 voice tone presets,
We got an easy spin up today.
At least that's the plan, right?
your words stay vivid.
Even the pigeons are in a rush.
When life peaks, Mic Mini 2 preserves memories as they happen.
Slow down, Ozzy!
Never miss a beat with DJI Mic Mini 2.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Make sure to subscribe.
Your voice, your world. Capture it clearly with DJI Mic Mini 2.
This came out great.
Let's keep this pace.
All right, let's run it back.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Again, Mama.
Again?